All right, so we are back with the Duramax, getting a new engine, part 2, and today we'll be installing the engine and hopefully getting it to run. So I had to do a couple different things on the new engine, swapping parts from the old engine. One, I deleted the new engine and took all the delete parts off the old engine, put on here. But two, we had a difference, and that was the fuel lines going to the CP4. As you can see, it goes from here to here and comes over here, and it sat right here, the new one on the new engine, but mine sits down here, as you can see right here. So got all that swapped over. And what else? There was one more thing. Oh, so let's see right here. This one also had a some kind of sensor right here, so I'm not sure what exactly that sensor is. That one don't have it. Well, that fuel rail don't have it. That was on this engine, but I had to swap the harness so I can get the plug for that sensor, and I got the fuel rail, well, connector, whatever you want to call it, for the sensor also. I was gonna make that one work until I seen that sensor, because it's pretty much just shorter. All it is, like you can see right here, this has hoses going to it, but this one also didn't have a sensor, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna swap it all over. So took it all apart, deleted it, and swapped all the parts from there. So now she's ready to drop in, and we're gonna slap her in. Guys, as you can see, we got the engine in, we got all the transmission bolts in, we got the tool converter bolts all bolted up, we got the harness and everything on it. We got it all connected right here. This is for the trans, this is for the computer, or is this for the trans? One of these is for one of them. I gotta figure out which one's what, but we got everything hooked up. We're gonna leave the front off right here, leave all the charge pipe and everything off, and then we're gonna try to start it. First, we're gonna bleed the system, and then try to start it, bump it over, see if it'll start. See how it runs real quick. So we're gonna see if there's any oil in it. If there's no oil, we'll put oil in it, and then we're gonna bleed the system. Go ahead and get it back together, put everything back together, and throw you on this montage. Alright guys, as you can see, we finished up the Duramax. We drove her all the way over here. We drove her about for a good solid hour around, checking everything, make sure nothing leaked. And I don't even want to jinx myself, but it's been pretty good. Pretty solid so far. She's got like way more power. I did find that there was a crack in my Y bridge on my old Y bridge whenever I was swapping engines out. So that I was definitely losing power with. And I mean, this thing's fresh. It's got a fresh engine. It's never been deleted until now. So she's just opening it up right now. So I'm gonna drive it around daily a little while. If anybody's interested, comment in the comment section below right now, or DM me on Facebook or Instagram. And Instagram links in my on my YouTube. If anybody's interested, make sure you contact me. 17.5, 110,000 miles on the engine. And the body, as you can see, it's chipping right there on the back of the cab, and it's got a couple dings like right here, right there, a couple little ones, little hail damage. So, but other than that, she's clean. She's got leather seats in it, and I'm sure y'all see all my old videos of it. So she still sits the same, just eco-tuned and deleted. Like I said, I'm gonna test it out a little more and see how she does. Not gonna lie, I really want to keep it, but I can't keep it. Financially, can't keep it. Spent too much money on the new engine, and I got to put that money back. And so hopefully I find another one broke, and I'm shooting for a single cab, four-wheel drive single cab, this body style. Don't matter if it was a 07 to 10 or 11 to 14. I do want another this body style, but I want a single cab. I want to make a shorty. If y'all guys know anybody has a single cab, long bed, four-wheel drive, this body style, 07 to 14, then shoot them my way. Broken, not broken, prefer broken, cheaper. But shoot them my way, and I'll definitely buy it after I sell this one and build that one. Or I should have sold the LBZ. Which one should I sell? I'm not really even sure which one to do. I need to sell one of them. I got too much money tied up in all my trucks right now, and I need to sell one of them for sure. One of the diesels at least, because I mean, they're two crew cabs, and I'd rather have a single cab or something I have less money in. I have too much money tied up in both these trucks, so one of them's got to go. If y'all know anybody, just let me know, or share this video, or share my post on Facebook if you're friends with me. A couple things I also want to talk about. I appreciate everybody that subscribed, and all my new subscribers, welcome. I appreciate all the support I'm getting from doing this, chasing my dream. I'm, like I told y'all before, I'm 100% self-employed, so. And since this truck broke, it wasn't really the best financial situation whenever it broke. It cost me roughly 8 to 9 grand to put this engine in it. And I mean, that's why I went with a used one that's low miles rather than a reman, because remans usually sometimes have issues, sometimes they don't, depending on the builder. And everybody's like, well, get a good warranty. Well, people don't understand. I do my own work. I don't have a shop like license wise, so they won't warranty most of that stuff. Some companies will, but then it's a chance. I mean, a good warranty doesn't always mean it's going to be a good engine. You know, I don't want to have to pull it back out. So I knew this engine was in the wreck truck. It was running when it was wrecked, so obviously it was going to run when I put it in, and it runs like a dream. It didn't even skip a beat to try to start up. It started right up. But yeah, hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment what y'all think of this video, and make sure, you know, share it, you know, help support the channel and where I want to go. Once we get a good following up and we get good money flow from this, then I'm gonna make this my main income, and I'll be doing way more crazier builds. It's just prices are high right now. Everybody in the market with Facebook's just boosting all the prices up. I'm selling this truck under Blue Book with a new engine. The Blue Book on it's 20, and it has a new engine with paperwork and also the videos of me putting together right here, right now. So this is a really good deal, But I mean, obviously price is OBO, because I need to sell it really fast so I can move on to the next thing to do and focus on the other builds like the retro cab and my race truck. The retro cab, like I said, at 5K subscribers, we will be pulling the dash back out, and I'll be doing a tutorial on the dash. And I gotta also mount the new air box in it for the AC and stuff. So be sure to share these videos, like them, so they get more views and get out there to more people, so I can get recommended more on the For You page, so we can continue doing more of this. I usually don't like talking a lot in a video like this, because I know it gets boring, because I know how I like to be said and done in a video when I watch. If somebody's talking too much and not showing much of the thing I'm wanting to watch, then I don't really like it. So I try not to do it for y'all, but some things, you know, I have to say, like I said, the retro cab and all that's not done. those are still coming back in the videos and stuff. We just I gotta get more money up. I gotta get back right. This engine really like kind of screwed me, because I tried selling it how it sat before I bought the engine. I was like, nah, screw it, I'm just gonna buy a new engine, which realistically I could have fixed the old one. It could have just got fixed back stock. But if I was going in it, I wanted to build it, and I really didn't want to I really didn't want to spend that much money. Like, as you can see right there, how clean. I mean, it's dirty, but look how clean that head is. You can definitely tell it's got low miles. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. Like I said, be sure to like if you like this type of stuff. Like, I completely do all kind of crazy stuff, usually different builds. I have buku different ideas. Once money starts getting back right, it should, after I get this thing sold, I can put back in my business, and then and keep continuing with that, and then continue with this business of YouTube and dropping more builds and stuff like that, finishing up some old builds. So have tons of ideas, stuff I just always wanted to build, and this gives me a purpose of building it. I usually don't like spending a lot of money on something, because if I spend money on it, I usually sell it. I get something like this, or like just a truck with a broken engine cheap, and I just put a motor in it, fix it, and I sell it. That's what I do. I flip a lot of stuff. So also I do hauling, but it's just in between both, and I just do it for the joy of it, really. So I have that thing where I don't like spending a lot of money on certain trucks and certain things. So, but doing YouTube gives me that idea. I have a different type of income coming with these different builds I like to do. This is what I enjoy doing the most. So this is why I'm pursuing this dream. So be sure to drop a comment if you have any ideas, anything you want to see, or opinions. Like, tell me what I'm doing wrong, tell me what I'm doing, what you like me doing, what you want to see. Just complete honesty, whatever. Yeah, like if I'm doing something you don't like, if I'm changing up too fast, or if I change my videos up, just look, drop a comment. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. I like the input. I want to hear the input. I want to grow this channel with y'all as my subscribers and stuff. So be sure to like, subscribe, and comment your opinions and what you think of the build, or if you want to buy it. That's it for this video. Catch you guys in the next one.